Good morning, State Line. Take a look at our Mercy Health Sky Cam here. The sun is shining bright already at the Poplar Grove Airport, and it's going to be sunny throughout the rest of today and into the weekend as well, thanks to high pressure dominating our weather. So if you've liked the last few days, you're going to like the next few days to come before some rain does reappear into the 7-day forecast. Details on that in just a second. Sunny skies, temperature is 64 degrees right now, and we're going to warm it up from there into the low and mid 80s throughout the afternoon hours. Take a look at temperatures throughout the rest of the viewing area. Already 70 down in DeKalb, 61 in Janesville, 64 here in Rockford, 64 as well in Freeport. And we'll warm it up to a high near 85 degrees, which is well above where we should be for this time of the year. Our weather headlines, what we're tracking for you. The first one's been the same over the last few days. It's been a copy and paste forecast. Sunshine and warmth continues throughout the next few days before, like I mentioned, some scattered showers reappear into the 7-day forecast going into next week. And our third weather headline, Hurricane Florence making its way throughout the southeast. Made landfall a little while ago. I'll have details on Hurricane Florence coming right up. Satellite and radar, though, here locally, quiet conditions thanks to high pressure dominating our weather, keeping the entire region high and dry. Just a few fair weather clouds throughout the area. We will see some more clouds build in going into Sunday in advance of that rain early next week. Temperatures throughout the next few days. See this top line here? This is where we're going to be in the mid 80s. The red line down here, that's our average high in the mid 70s, so well above average for this time of the year. But then Wednesday, see that little dip there? We will get right back around average going into Wednesday and then right back up Thursday and into the end of next week. Satellite and radar, here we go, tracking Hurricane Florence as it slowly makes its way towards the coast. It is tracking ever so slowly, right around 5 to 6 miles an hour, and it's moving so slowly that all of these areas that saw rain throughout the overnight hours are continuing to see more rain as the bands make their way through the area, dumping lots of heavy rain. We're talking upwards of 20 inches locally possible by the time it's all said and done. And right here is where it made landfall in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina, just south of Wilmington. Here is when the eye passed over right around 7:15 Eastern Time, 6:15 here locally. Storm surge, that's going to be the other issue in addition to all the heavy rain. Zooming in here on New Bern, North Carolina, you can see two rivers converge here in New Bern. All of the water from the Atlantic coming up, creating a storm surge of nearly 10 feet of water. The normal sea level should be right down here. But with winds near 90 miles an hour in the eye of the hurricane, it's making 3, even 6 feet, and sometimes 12 feet of storm surge, and it's already inundating this house at 12 feet. So imagine the 10 feet of storm surge that New Bern is seeing. They've been reporting residents, 100 to 150 residents, asking to be helped that are stranded at their cars or on their roofs. So it's going to be a long next few days as the storm continues to circulate very slowly, dumping a lot of heavy rain throughout the North and South Carolina area before it slowly gets picked back up and heads north. Taking a live look here at Greenville, North Carolina, you can see the roadways wet, a lot of rain falling throughout the area, a lot of dark, heavy clouds. But if we take a look here at Wrightsville Beach, you can see it's very hard to see on this camera as the storm is moving in the backside of the eye wall, making its way throughout the area as it made landfall just a little while ago. Futurecast for us, we are keeping it high and dry, mainly sunny skies with temperatures well above average, and we'll continue that into the weekend as well with more sunshine expected. A few clouds build in going into Sunday, otherwise mainly clear skies throughout much of the next few days. 85 degrees the high temperature today with a little patchy fog early, otherwise sunny conditions. Tonight, just a few clouds, 60. Tomorrow, yet again, mid 80s, partly sunny, above average temperatures. Rain returns going into early next week, Monday and Tuesday. Better chance on Wednesday and Thursday as we dip temperatures back down around average. Emily and Jay?
All right, thanks a lot, Ryan.